All right, Panthers, in the last video, we looked at the project area. If you open the project area in Canva and there's nothing in there, you want to click on these two links right here. This is our infographic template. This is our presentation template. And you can pick either one of these to do your project. So we're going to start off by clicking on infographic and then click that. And this template has been created by me. Start designing now, click use template. It will open for you and you are ready to go. And now when you come into projects or recent activity in Canva, you're going to see that show up. All right, there it is in recent in your project area. Okay, if we go back here, we're also going to click on the presentation template. And this is a different style of project presentation that you can do for this project. So we click on that. And again, you get the same message. You're going to click use template and it will do the same thing. It's going to load a copy for you. This is your very own copy. And now when I go home and I go into projects, I can see both of them. Okay. Notice it says copy of, because I made my own copy of it. So I'm going to be editing this and nobody else will be editing this exact same project, even if they're using the same design. Okay.